Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Discord app to the latest version in 2024 on your Android. So guys, if you want to update Discord app to the latest version, make sure that you watch the video till end. In this video I will tell you two important steps that you can use to update the app to the latest version. The first way is the simplest way, to go to the Play Store and simply search for Discord, and and if it says update, you can simply tap on update, and if it says open, technically your Discord app is updated to the latest version. But in some cases, even if it says open, you may not have access to the latest features on Discord. So in that case, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone and then go to the apps section. Now you'll have to tap on see all apps, and after that you'll have to scroll down and look for Discord. Now once you found Discord, you'll have to tap on it, and then you'll have to navigate to the storage and cache. And first of all, you'll have to clear cache and then hit clear storage and then hit delete, and then go back and then tap on uninstall and then hit OK. Now the app is uninstalled. Now you'll have to go back to the Google Play Store and then hit install again, and your app will be force updated to the latest version, and you'll be able to get all the latest features on your Discord app. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.